Hello everyone, my name is Thaina. I'm a master's student at the IAG-USP and today I'm going to show you some details about my research project under advisement of the Dr. Gianni Cristina Gregorio. Our project is named The Conspicuous Features Around the Young Stellar Clusters. But to try to understand what I'm doing, we need to answer some questions before, like what are the young stellar clusters? Well, young stellar clusters are basically star groups submerged in large clouds constituted by dust and gas mainly, and these type of objects are associated to star formation processes. Here on right side the screen, it shows my two targets NGC 3590 and NGC 3572. And here we can see a lot of punctual sources in blue that are the young stars, the gas emission in red, and the dark zones are the dust absorption. And what is the young stellar objects? There are many open questions about the origin and evolution of the young stellar objects or clusters, like the processes involved in the star cluster formation itself, the initial conditions of the development medium, distinct star formation scenarios, and impact on the interstellar medium. So, trying to understand better the young stellar clusters, we want to do a detailed study about the gas conditions and the star's feedback effects of the NGC 3572 and NGC 3590 young stellar clusters by using SOAR, SEMI, and Spartan observation in 10 distinct bands. And how are we doing that? We are building up a script capable to read distinct exposures and correlate them by math operations. Here are some results using our script before the correction of little offset between different distinct exposures and after the correction of those little offsets. This central object in our field is the photoevaporating globule we studied by Smith and collaborators in 2001. And as you can see here, our script does not remove the punctual source, and it's a problem. This is a problem because the punctual source, the star's emissions, hinders for showing the extended gas emission, and we want to see the gas, so we need to remove the punctual sources. And to do it, we are working in collaboration with the Dr. Sérgio Scarano Jr. and Luiz Bispo from Universidade Federal de Sergipe to detect all the punctual sources. So now we want to extract the photometry of the most probably cluster members and then remove the star's contribution of our data. Here is the photoevaporating globule on our field. And what are we expecting for? Well, removing the star's contributions of our data and following the methodology adopted by Heathcote, Law, Hias, and their collaborators, we are expecting to be able to investigate the ionization conditions of the interstellar medium of both clusters and perform a study of the physical parameters of the punctual sources as well. That's all. Thank you all. And questions preferentially in Portuguese. Thank you.